Frankie got 4 years. He's gonna be a little late. He's going for a long time. He's gonna be a little late to the party. What's a party without Frankie? He's stepping on a thin line, a penitentiary place. The blood was used for his crime. You gotta learn to behave at the party. Should be easy. Come on, Frankie. If there's a second chance, go get it yourself. We'll make it good, no doubt. Man, give me a shout when you get out. Free our Frankie now. Frankie's in detention. He's gonna have to rearrange. When we get the sunshine, I hope it's hitting his face. Is it burning? Are you learning to be okay? If there's a second chance, go get it yourself. We'll make it good, no doubt. Man, give me a shout when you get out. Free our Frankie now. Frankie should have walked away that night. I wonder why he had to fly. Frankie, you just need to do your time. It's gonna be a little late. He's gonna be a little late to the party. What's a party without Frankie? You'll get a second chance, just like everyone.